let's look at the filter. And one thing that I'm doing here for the filter is that I have this urgent button here, right? So it's kind of like the conditional color. Basically, what I'm saying here is that this button, when I click on it, it's going to filter records to show only records that are greater or equal to 200. Then I filter the Kanban board by the total score. So in this way, we can set different thresholds. And we could also have like other conditional colors or other buttons here, right? I could have like something that is not urgent, but it's almost urgent. So it's like between 150 and 200, then it's yellow, right? So let's do this now. I think it's going to be a little bit clearer. So I'm changing this. I'm going to add a new color. So it's going to be light yellow here. And I'm going to say that only tickets with total score between 150 and 200. Let's go for 100 and 200 here. And you can see that it's already colored, right? So if it's between 800 and 200, it's going to color it yellow. So this is not a urgent ticket.